Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, July the 2nd, July the 2nd. We have only one Sudoku, a regular medium Sudoku, but I have good news. Today is Thursday. The last Thursday, a week ago, we have no extra Sudokus in this newspaper. But look, today, extra Sudokus, in additional 5 Sudokus. 5 Sudokus. So, are you happy? I don't know, but we will start first with the first one, a Sudoku medium, regular Sudoku. And before I start, I want to count how many numbers are printed so I can compare with the 1 stars, 2 stars, 3 stars or 4 stars. So let me count. These are 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24, 25, 26. 26 printed numbers. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, this is a 2-star Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. In this column, we have the third column. We have here 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And then how about in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 4, 2, and 8. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. The 2 and the 8 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the number? Yes. All right. Five in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. And then, yeah, and then, let me think. Two, 8. I think I need to mark some numbers because it's taking too long with the thinking. Yeah. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in that box. Also here 3, no 3 in this box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this middle big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the other number, the missing number in this middle column is the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Then 3 in the yeah. How about 1 and 7. 2 numbers left in the first row. The numbers are the 1 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And now 2 numbers left in the last column. The numbers are the 8 and the 9. In the last column we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 7 and 9. 3, 4. All right. 4, 4, and 2. Yeah. Eight and 3. 4, 4, 6, 6, and the 7. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And now 2 numbers left in this second column. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. One number left in this column should be the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. One number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 1 should be here. One number left in this row should be the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. One number left in this big square for the number 8. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this Medium Sudoku PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget if you want, or only if you like, to subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube, so you will be notified by them if I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching this edition. I will see you later with the additional, with extra Sudokus. So see you later, and bye bye for now.